everything. Let's stack it. Dehydrate it. Here is this one. Okay. Oh my god, look at that. Yeah, sure. So we're going to dehydrate it and go ahead. Stay tuned so that you know what I'm doing with all this, so that you know what I'm doing. I'm not going to leak the secret now, because what you have to watch to the end, because I tell you what I'm doing, I know you're not going to watch to the end. So guys, let's go through our onion that we dehydrate. Look at that. Let me get it off. It's so dry. It's so dry. This one is rosemary from fruit. Oh no, fruit is and remove the sticks. So you know, can you see what I'm doing? Take all the leaf stems and leave the stick. I'm not going to be using the stick. So guys, we'll be completing the procedure of this. Many people have, like about 2 people guessed what we are going to be making. So this is after dehydrating it. I put it inside here, and today we'll be making it. So I'll be revealing what we are making at the end of this video. Oh my god, it smells nice. Nice. I hope you are seeing what I'm doing. Let me make this video to focus. Okay, yeah, I think it's okay. Oh my god, the aroma, the aroma. So this is the dehydrated onions, ginger, rosemary. It smells so nice. Hope you try this at home. It smells so nice. So yeah, I don't want it to be too full, so I will be putting other things. I want to add thyme. I'm going to be adding thyme to it. Okay, just getting this off. Yeah, so I'll be adding, I need to add about 1 cup. So this is half, about another half. Okay, so making it a cup. Cup. So yeah, so and I'll be adding dried rosemary to it. Yeah, so yeah, we're going to cover it. Okay, so we'll be blending that on our double bushing blender. We'll be adding curry to this. Look at that. Oh my god, this is biggest pies. So we're going to be adding half cup of curry. You can add more if you want. After that, you put it again to mix it very well. Yeah, our spice is ready. This is jollof rice spice. What did I say? Jollof. Nigerian jollof. Well, not Ghana. Nigerian jollof. That is my secret, guys. That is my secret. This aroma, guys, it's ready. So this is my secret of Nigeria jollof rice. This is my secret, guys. This is my secret. This is what I use. People keep asking me, girl, what do you add to your jollof rice? It's not that spicy like other people's own. I said, okay, one day I'm gonna share my secret. So this is my secret: dehydrated onions, rosemary leaves, ginger, thyme, dry thyme, and thyme, and curry powder. Okay, so yeah. Make sure you cover it and put it in an airtight container. Use it anytime, and make sure you label it as well. Okay, we're gonna label it now. Make sure you like this video. Make sure you share, subscribe for more.